Welcome back to Bible Study for Kids. I'm Nina Sarai, and we have reached Genesis chapter 10. If you've missed any previous episodes, go check them out, and I'll be right here when you return. Now, in Genesis chapter 10, it simply lists the descendants of Noah and the nations that come from them. There will be a lot of Hebrew names here, so pronunciation will not be exact. So as we know, Noah's 3 sons were Shem, Ham, and Japheth. Verse 2 starts off with Japheth and his descendants. Japheth had a total of 7 sons: Gomer, Magog, Madai, Javan, Tubal, Meshech, and Tyrus. Japheth's son Gomer had 3 sons: Ashkenaz, Riphath, and Togarmah. Japheth's son Javan had 4 sons: Elisha, Tarshish, Kittim, and Dodanim. And Japheth's descendants spread out over the earth by their clans and their languages in their territories and nations. Verse 6 goes into Ham's descendants. Ham had a total of 4 sons: Cush, Mitzrayim, aka Egypt, Put, and Canaan. And remember from the last chapter, Canaan is the son of Ham that was cursed by his grandfather, Noah. Ham's son Cush had 6 sons total, but let's start off with the first 5. Seba, Havilah, Sabta, Rama, Sabtecha. Cush's son Rama had 2 sons, Sheba and Dedan. So as for the 6th son Cush had, his name was Nimrod. Cush's son Nimrod began to be a mighty one on earth. He was a mighty hunter before the Lord. In the land of Shinar, Nimrod built his kingdom that consisted of 4 cities: Babel, aka Babylon, Erech, Akkad, and Calneh. Outside the land of Shinar, Nimrod went to Asher and built 4 more cities: Nineveh, Rehoboth, Calah, and a big city called Rezin. Okay, moving on. Ham's son Mitzrayim, aka Egypt, had a total of 7 sons: Ludim, Anamim, Lahabim, Naphtuhim, Pathrusim, Casluhim, and lastly, Caphtorim. And then it also notes that from the son Casluhim came the Philistines. And this is a nation of people that will be mentioned again later. Ham's son Canaan had 2 sons, Sidon, his firstborn, and Heth. Under Canaan's descendants came the Jebusites, Amorites, Girgashites, Hivites, Arkites, Sinites, Arvadites, Zemarites, and the Hamathites. And the Canaanites spread out over the earth. The Canaanites' territory were from the cities Sidon, Gerar, Gaza, Sodom, Gomorrah, Admah, Zeboim, and Lasha. And now we've come to Shem's descendants. Shem had a total of 5 sons: Elam, Asher, Arphaxad, Lud, and Aram. Shem's son Aram had 4 sons: Uz, Hul, Gether, and Mash. Shem's son Arphaxad had a son named Shelah. Arphaxad's son Shelah had a son named Eber. Shelah's son Eber had 2 sons, one named Peleg, which means division. He was named this because in his days the earth was divided. And the second son, Peleg's brother, was named Joktan. And Eber's son Joktan had 13 sons: Almadad, Shelef, Hazarmaveth, Jerah, Hadaram, Uzal, Diklah, Obal, Abimael, Sheba, Ophir, Havilah, and Jobab. And their territory extended from Mesha in the direction of Sephar. Ooh, well, that was a lot. There were a lot of names mentioned here, so I hope you took some notes. I'll see you guys in chapter 11. Bye-bye.